My name is Jacinta Siracusa. I'm riding with my partner Nathan Hanna. On this 5-day road trip, we'll be following famous motorcycle roads throughout New South Wales, encountering some of the state's most spectacular vistas, stopping off to meet locals and having some fun along the way. After a restful night recharging our batteries at the Rosby studio in Mudgee, we're excited to hit the road with a big day on the bikes ahead. We're riding more than 400 kilometres to Walcha today, the oldest town in the New England tablelands. The New England High Country is the highest tableland in the country and includes 25 national parks, 3 of which are World Heritage listed. We stop at Corindai to stretch our legs and meet some of the locals. Local Corindai man Bob has spent years recreating an old general store and pub from the 40s and 50s with iconic pub memorabilia, vintage motorcycles and cars.
Back when I was a kid, I used to pick up empty beer bottles to sell them for pocket money, and that started it off, and just trying to preserve Australia's heritage. I was like, in mechanical, just like motorbikes. I've never ridden one, I wouldn't know how. I see you guys are riding them, I wouldn't have a clue.
It's time to continue on our journey to Walcha, a town we are really excited about, where 2 of the best motorcycling roads in New South Wales meet, the Oxley Highway and Thunderbolts Way. Walcha is not just surrounded by nature, it's rich with art and culture too. After such a huge day of riding, there's nothing that we want more than to cozy up at a nice country cafe for the afternoon. Arriving at the classic motorcyclist pit stop and our home for the night, the Walcha Royal Cafe and Accommodation, it's time to kick up our feet with a cold beer. Tomorrow, we'll ride some of Australia's most famous motorcycle roads. Join us on the next episode. Head to visitnewsouthwales.com for more road trip content. And don't forget to subscribe to the Visit New South Wales YouTube channel.